As we all know that Kling Motion Control is very useful. You can use it for AI influencers, UGC ads, AI VFX, and even for the movies. But the problem is that this is expensive and there's no other way to use it for free. But don't worry, today I have a website where you can use it completely free. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So this is the platform. First of all, you need to sign in. Don't worry, you're going to find the link in the description below. But first of all, you need to know how to use this. So here we have a couple of different options. But you need to go to the boards option, and from here click on a new project and you will have this interface in front of you. Well, you can also generate the videos and images over here, but we are only focusing on the Kling Motion Control. So just click on the plus icon and upload your reference video. So once it's uploaded, right-click on the video. And here you can see we have the Kling 3.0, and in the character box, you can simply upload your reference character. But here, we have two different options. We have match video and match character. Don't get confused by that. I'm going to show you both of these results. Then you also have the option to keep the audio or not. And then we have the option to give it a prompt. And you can also switch between the quality. And once we have it, simply hit create. And this is the output. And this is exactly matching the reference video motions, which is great. And here we have another example. Well, it comes with the watermark, but if you want to remove the watermark, you have to upgrade to their premium plans. But I think you can simply remove it by using any watermark remover. So the motions are there, everything is there. Now the question is, how many generations do you get for free? Well, previously this was giving 9 to 10 generations for free, but right now this is only limited to 3 to 4 generations a day. But I think this is a pretty decent number. So the platform is Luma Labs. The link will be in the description below. Go ahead and check this out. And that's it from today. See you in the next one.